Prisons are more than just punishment for prisoners. Part of prison efficacy is rehabilitative in nature. According to the Prison Policy Initiative, 2.3 million people are incarcerated in the United States, and over 600,000 prisoners exit prison each year. Preparing prisoners to re-enter society can decrease rates of recidivism and improve community public health and social welfare. Participating in correctional education programs and increasing inmate literacy is a big factor in decreasing recidivism, according to national literacy studies and studies by the RAND Institute. Yes, most prisons have libraries, but they may be limited and have many budget hurdles to face. Offering inmates a chance to purchase their own books, have books sent by families, or facilitating donations from book charities can help fill reading material gaps. 2018 has witnessed a rash of restrictive policies related to prisoners ordering books. Prison officials cite worries about contraband and dangerous ideas entering the prison community. However, one of the federal government's largest contraband studies did not find books a primary culprit. And according to the American Library Association, prisoners have a right to be involved in the marketplace of ideas and have a fundamental right to read. Current policies mean slow delivery times for books, prisoners paying up to 30% more for titles, and a lack of variety in titles. It also means cumbersome workflows, increased litigation, and plenty of bad PR for prisons. A new policy will consider all stakeholders, prisoners and prison personnel. It would ensure prisoners retain their right to read, offer sensibly priced books that arrive in a reliable manner, and give as much choice as possible regarding content and subjects. In addition, a new policy should offer clear and consistent guidelines for prison staff, a streamlined workflow, and encourage educated and bias-free decision-making. Key elements of a new policy would include increased access through ordering, centralized procedures, transparent criteria for appropriate vendors and subjects, guidance and training from librarians, oversight through audits, gathering data to inform library collections, and maintaining a prisoner's right to challenge censor's decisions. A year-long exploratory pilot program of a representative sample of prisons is recommended for refining this process. This would include creating a policy implementation and assessment committee, analyzing the library collection development policies of the pilot prisons, developing a procedural workflow for prisoner book ordering, clearly articulating the policy to stakeholders in an appropriate manner, and creating a policy implementation toolkit and training program for prison personnel. Distinguishing criteria for assessing the efficacy of the policy and impact on prison safety, and implementing a system for notifying prisoners of rejected books and offering them a means to challenge those decisions is also important. A comprehensive, cohesive, and consistent book ordering policy and procedure encourages accessibility, clarity, and oversight, balances the unique needs of multiple stakeholders, upholds the prisoner's right to read, streamlines prison workflows, gathers valuable data, and supports a more educated and informed prison population.